Hello, today we want to talk about our classroom. We don't have any space to move over in group. The room is hot and noisy. Sometimes we cannot hear the teacher clearly. We don't have enough table and chair. Sometimes we share one table with many friends. The roofs and walls are old. When it rains, water comes inside and the floor gets wet. I want a clean and safe place to study. We are standing in the place where our new school will be. Why do we need a new school? We need our new school because we want more space to study and learn comfortable. We need more classrooms so every class can study in the morning and stay together. We need a clean school with good toilets, clean water and a big playground. We want strong classrooms that are safe when it rains and when the sun is hot. We want a library and a place to read, draw and explore music. Please help us build our new school.